Here we go. I'm gonna do a couple back tests just for a week. I usually do what I like to do is from 5 to 6 a.m. to see the direction. About 70% of the time, it's like going in the correct direction. I last left off at looks like 25th of April. 25th of April, so go back to the 25th. My voice is scratchy. Where is it? Whoa, that's wacky. Having a little bit of technical difficulties early in this. God, what's going on? Did they upgrade or something? So jump 2, move forward, press play. Okay, I guess they upgraded it. It looks different. It's 25th of April. How the fuck did we how do we jump back that far? Alright, let's do this. No way. Alright. Should be able to get and yeah, boom, April 25th right here. This looks like this was a major zone. I already did that last week's. Looked at it. Alright, so from 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. it looks like it came down, took out a little bit of liquidity, touched the order block, went out, took out the minor highs, but didn't quite push above this high here. So boom, and it started to break down, and during New York Open came back down and cleared out these lows here before pushing higher to clear this major London high. So what I'm looking at here is a fair value gap here. Boom. 6 a.m. came and cleared that out. Did that. Boom. This order block still here. But since this is cleared out, they want to clear these lows before continuing higher. But from 5 to 6 a.m., there is a minor uptrend. So I'm looking at it. It does come down, take out these lows, and then it start on a lower time frame. There's a higher high, and then they make a lower high, and then another higher high. And it does not break below this low before 6 a.m. So I consider that trending up. So I'll be looking for a move upwards for the day, unless price action tells me something different. But I can't see it because of the replay mode. So it does come with the model. This is around 7 a.m. but the time I'll be looking to get in is depending on if there's news or not. 8:30. And I'll say, I'm going to say 11 o'clock. So between these times, 8:30 and 11 o'clock. Because 11:30 is getting to the lunch hours, and then I'm watching my baby at that time, so I'm not really on the charts. But if I'm looking at it, between 8:30, I see nothing really getting made in here, but I see a fair value gap happen here. Boom, boom. This is an order block. See this fair value gap here. You know, between 8:30 and 9:30, price really don't respect the fair value gaps that are really being made. Then most of the time, depending on how S&P looks, if S&P is trending, NAS 100 is giving you a mess, and if NAS 100 is trending, usually in my experience, S&P is giving you a mess. So they like kind of work off each other. But if I'm looking at this, I can almost guarantee if I look at S&P, there's a fair value gap in here somewhere where price most likely came back to or tried to reach for it before going up, and it just continued to trend up instead of doing this number and almost taking out this low here. So what I'm looking at is fair value gap here. So I want price to come back here, and I want to see it go higher. I want to see it continue higher, but it doesn't do that. So 9:30 happens. 9:30 comes down, triggers it in, closes bullish, and then continues high before coming back to take out the lows. Just to create another bullish candle, coming back, almost taking out those lows. Push higher, does not take out that high, not even a twidge, but it creates a fair value gap in here, a very small one. It's an entry to continue higher. It's a nice entry. Fair value gap right there. Draw this out of time. Also, something that I noticed. Let's delete this. Usually between 5 and 6 a.m. if a fair value gap is formed, fair value gap or an order block is formed in this, price usually revisits it before continuing in whatever direction that it wants to continue in. About 50, it's a 50-50 chance, but it happens quite a bit, at least from what I can see. So it returns back to it, like creating perfect structure, taps it like what they call a perfect support. Perfect support comes, taps, boom, goes, comes back, right back to it. I know you probably can't sit on TradingView, but if you're looking at MT4, it probably tapped in it one more time before continuing up. It's supposed to be back testing. I'm looking forward. Alright, so start 5, 6 a.m. uptrend. Looking to get in around 8. After 8:30, see this push up, and then it breaks this swing high right here, and also breaks this high here. This is the order block. Could have an entry here. It's only 1 and 2. I'll be looking for 1 and 3. So that would be an L. We do not want they're in a rotation. Let's do this, even though I just looked at it. Stop it around 8:30. Oh no, I did that again. Man, I hate when I do that. Well, because I know that this is gonna happen. Look at that. Create a structure, continuing up. There's even one here. Let's see a price reacts to this one. So 8:30. Price usually continues in the direction of 8:30. So let's continue to break this high. This fair value gap formed right here. Since we know that price comes and takes this out, let's do it like so we're looking at it. Oh, ooh, it goes down there. You don't really see anything on a 5-minute. That's out of time. See her next thing. Oh, rejection. Comes and fill in this gap. This is the first two and the one. This one look bullish. So we can go off of this candle, 38.2. That's what I like to do. Boom. Place my entry at 38.2. And I say, yeah, no, remember, I'm just came back again. But it will have to be below the low. And we have to do a 1 for 3. Oh yeah, I did come back to this, but let's see. So 1 for 3. Do a couple pips below. Yeah, let's see what happens. Oh, that's scary as fuck. So it did reach 100%. Definitely hit 1 for 2. So I will bring my stops to break even once it crosses this high. So stops at break even now. I don't know why this is so scary. And this is just stops at break even. And I've taken half off here. They say pay the trader. Pay the trader. And I think they gotta tell me this stuff. Boom. Alright. TP smashed. Now leave a run into this area here. Because apparently it was important to me to put that there. Wish I could see back. Oh, I can see back now. Well, that must have been like an hourly or something. But if I go back, then it'll shut it off. I don't got time for that. Alright, so TP smashed on that one. Even if I left it, even if I left the stops below where I wanted to, it would came back and stopped me out. But I'm looking at it here. Then it shows more structure to the upside. Well, let's see how this looks. I might be able to do something with it. Okay. I do like that. I do like that. But my stops would have to be crazy low. Let's see if it comes back. Nope, it kept going. Oh no, it came back. Alright, so if it comes back here, I'll take an entry there. I'll take an entry right here. And I'll bring my stops to this low of this candle. So I don't think it should break that if it wants to continue higher. Oh, didn't even come back. Bye-bye. Soon as price didn't make it to here, and it came back and took out these highs, I should have been looking at this order block here because there's a fair value got made there. So fair value got made. Oh shoosh! Look at that. Let's move you over, buddy. There's a fair value gap here. And the high was broken, so it wants to come back to equilibrium, which is this order block here. before continuing higher. So this could have been another, could have been. Probably went down to the 1 minute and actually got a better. I want to 1 to 3 most of the time. Yeah, so this would definitely make a 1 to 3. Oh, it actually came back. Look at that. So that's a nice entry. But I probably wouldn't have left it. This is way outside of my trading time. This is a nice little push here. Came back to discount 50%. Tapped into this order block. Continued higher. I've been noticing for the month of August, for NAS 100 at least, after lunch has been the best. It's slower trading, but it has been the best trading. Where it comes back to discount, it does its push, comes back to discount, and then it continues in the direction that it wants to go. But before lunch, it's like you better be scalping because it's gonna go up, go down, go up, come back, go back again, go to mama's house, then go to grandma's house, get some cookies, and then come back home to get a drink of water. It just it wants to take everything from everywhere. So that's the only time I can trade. So that's what I got to deal with. All right. So let's log this. I actually took this trade. I took this exact trade. And maybe I've taken so many trades that this just looks like a trade I've taken already. I believe I took this trade April 25th, Monday. Oh yeah, I did. Made a stack on this trade. Yeah, yeah. This is a good trade for me. Friday's imbalance. And back to time's like to close. Came back to say NY option to fake out. Yes, I'm a retail trader. I know retail traders who went long and moved stops into profit to .2. Target 38.2. 103 RR. We have a trader there. Oh snap, there's the baby. You want to be on YouTube? You want to be on YouTube?
Yeah.
Come on, let's get on YouTube. Oh, they can't see you because I'll just blur you out. Alright, there you go. Oh, come on. Let's go hang out with Mama. Say bye-bye. Tasmanian Angel. Okay, I need to hurry up. It's already been 30 minutes. I'm still on this one. Alright, so there's let's copy. That is, I don't know, that is absolutely perfect. Probably taps into this one. Nope, don't touch that one, but literally from 5 to 6 a.m. Boom, look at that. You got another one here. It probably reacts to this one too. It's probably reacting to this order block all the way out here. I'm gonna do a test and see. Alright, let's get rid of this. Let's go on to the next day. Five. Five, 6 says it's going down. It just tapped into this area of imbalance on a 1 hour, and it has begun its downtrend during London session. Because this area, boom, it's at a discount in this area, taps into an area discounts and then begin its downtrend. If it breaks this low before, it's already started to breaking lows though. Like these are equal lows here, and it's broken it. So if it stays below, ooh, if it stays below this and then begins to break this before 9:30, let's look at 9:30. I want to get to 9:30. All right, so it broke this low here. Depending on if there's news or not this day, I would want to enter here. So let me do this. So if there's like major news, this is 9:10. I usually do not want to enter before 9:30. But boom. I'll have to put my stops here a little bit above. And it's not that much of a stop. It's only 41. It's only 41 ticks. For me, that's not a lot. So let's go. Depending on how it reacts to this level. So between 5 and 6 a.m., I do not see. Okay, I see one. I see one minor fair value gap here. Oh shit. So it may not react to it at all. It may come back up to it and smack it. What's that? Let's delete you. Okay, there's another one after 6 a.m. right here. But what I would do, because there's an order block on it, I'll highlight this whole joint right here. So my stop would really have to go up here. Nah, I'm gonna rock with it. But another entry could be if this one failed, this one would definitely ride out if it wants to continue lower. Oh, it just drops. This is one of those days. Yeah, let's see. Oh, it didn't come back at all, guaranteed. Ooh, that's nasty. This is a nasty day. Ooh, I like that. This right here. It's 2 o'clock. Let's see. Looks like it wants to continue up. And I'd probably be one of those people that got caught in this trap right here. Trap. Boom. So what time? It's 3 o'clock. He's not gonna come back up here. Let's see. Out of there. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. That is FOMO to its best. So y'all know I'm still learning, man. It's dropped off the face of the planet. So 8:30 did this. Came back and tapped into the order block at 8:30. And then dipped out. So here's your order block here. Tap into the order block. Skedaddle. Said peace out, bro. Boom, boom. Really don't like to enter before 9:30 though. So boom, 9:30 just did this craziness. So if you're looking for it to continue down, you want to look for something like this. It's like right here. And then you want to enter right here. Yeah, it's awesome to do it with foresight. But there's this little imbalance there. So that imbalance lets you know that this order block is more likely to come back and get knocked out. And I already it took out this swing low. And I almost took out this swing low, but didn't quite get there. But this was a very bearish push compared to this leg here, where it did create a fair value gap. But the way that this came down like this, I shouldn't even been looking at buys. The way this leg pushed down, I was like, hey, nah, ain't nothing happening up here. Let's continue on down. Don't even look up. Just go ahead and continue down. Boom. This was a nice one, but it didn't really do nothing. Then it's consolidated. Why would it consolidate? So this boom, and then it consolidated up, and then it's like, all right, it's time to go. And it left the party. So I shouldn't have traded this day unless I got in at 8:30. And I would have had to get in at 8:30 and leave my stop loss up there. So it would have been like either a guaranteed loss or a guaranteed win. That's what it would have been. That's all it would have been. So this is basically a no trade day for me. No trade. Even though I did take a trade, I took 2 L's. So yeah, no trade. Well, I took 1 L. The other one didn't trigger. But consolidation down. So down was correct for 26th of April. And what was that? Still, it could have been an entry. At 8:30 a.m. I was about to say before visiting Lucifer himself, but I ain't trying to hurt nobody's feelings. Matter of fact, this is my page, man. Yeah, he don't deserve a capital. Let's see. Whoa. They're not. What? Oh, shit. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get on off of this thing. We're looking at the 27th. Able to pick off on this tomorrow. I don't want to overwork my brain. Yeah. It's your boy Ken, prolific trader. See ya tomorrow.